Welcome to Stock Market Explained. One politician made a decision that lasted less than 6 hours. It wasn't even a war, but it wiped out $136 billion overnight. South Korea has one of Asia's biggest stock markets, worth $1.7 trillion. Millions of everyday Koreans have their savings invested there. Retirement money, college funds, real people's futures. Here's the thing about stock markets. They run on trust, and foreign investors own roughly a quarter of Korea's entire market. When big international money is parked in your country, that's great, until something scares them. Imagine your school's lemonade stand has 100 owners, most from out of town. The principal suddenly announces the school is shutting down. All the out-of-town owners panic and sell at once. Nobody's buying. The price crashes. That's political risk. On the evening of December the 3rd, 2024, South Korea's President Yoon appeared on live TV and declared martial law. Basically, military control of the country. He cited vague threats from anti-state forces. The world was stunned. Global investors didn't wait to find out what happened next. But wait, lawmakers rushed to the assembly and voted to cancel it. By dawn, it was over. Just 6 hours. But when markets opened December 4th, the damage was done. Korea's KOSPI crashed 8%. The circuit breaker triggered a full trading halt for the first time since the COVID crash. On the night of December the 3rd, 2024, South Korea's president went on TV and declared martial law, basically saying the military's in charge now. The world freaked out. But here's the wildest part. The whole thing lasted less than 6 hours. South Korea's stock market, called the KOSPI, crashed 8% the very next morning. That's roughly $136 billion gone in one day. And remember, the thing that caused it lasted shorter than your school day. 6 hours of chaos wiped out billions. Here's why it hit so hard. Foreign investors, people from outside Korea, own about 25 to 30% of the entire market. When they panicked and sold all at once, prices collapsed fast. It's like the biggest kids at your lemonade stand all leaving at the same time. Trading got so crazy that Korea hit its circuit breaker, a switch that pauses the whole market to stop the freefall. Think of it like a fire alarm that freezes everything, so people stop panicking. It hadn't been triggered since the COVID crash in 2020. Even Samsung's stock got hammered. Millions of ordinary Koreans hold stocks through pension funds and savings accounts. They didn't do anything wrong. But one politician's decision shrank their retirement savings overnight. This is called political risk. Markets run on trust, and when trust breaks, investors don't wait around to see if it comes back. Markets aren't just numbers, they're built on confidence. Shatter that confidence, even for 6 hours, and billions disappear. If this blew your mind, follow at Stock Market Explained for more.